Alright guys, it's Chuck River Foraging Truth, and today I'm out looking for mushrooms. I'm mostly finding mushroom leather. We've been in a severe drought here in southwestern PA, but we did get some rains, and I did wait 3 to 4 days since the rain started. So let's see if we can go and find some mushrooms. Oh, there's pretty dried up. That's dry. That's dry. Seeds are even done. Well, that's not a good sign for mushrooms. I'm guessing today we're going to be looking at fallen logs more than ground. Because if you can see, the ground has some moisture in it, but not a lot. This is actually better than what I've been seeing. Really not seeing much as far as mushrooms that should be up this time of the year. I haven't seen any chanterelles. I haven't seen a lot of the bow wheat mushrooms. Look over there. Wow, that looks promising. That's orange, and it's on a log. It's just easy to find. Now you can cut it if you want. That's greenbriers that make it easy. Some of it's grown into it. Some of this is way past, guys. This color, I would just leave it alone. It's already sun bleached, and you can see this darker edge. And you see the bugs coming out of there. Don't want to mess with that, really. I think this is pretty well going to be marked up as past. So like I said, in a drought, you want to look where the water goes, and the water lays in the logs. And that's where mushroom hunters are going to find the mushroom. Break a little piece off here. Not really many holes in that, but it's still a little past. You could use that for survival if you wanted to eat that. It's not too bad. You could probably get away with cutting some of these little plates off here and there. Bugs are coming out of it bad. We got worm action. Yeah. Try taking underneath. Just a little higher. That's a better piece. Worms. There you go. Alright guys, got a really good specimen of this. That's why I figured I'd show it to you. I haven't really used this for anything, but you're going to see it. This, a lot of times looks white when you find it, gray, but they call it violet tooth polypore. And that violet edge and these violet, almost like teeth, is what, or how you identify that. That violet edge. Look at this. That's a really fresh specimen. Make it hard enough to find the trail, huh? Hey guys, we have found some other mushrooms. Check these out. we were actually out looking to see if we could find any of these. These were really good right now. That's because of the water that's in here. So, this is a turkey tail mushroom. I'm going to go ahead and tear this one off. He's pretty well separated from the other one. This is why you cut them. So, there you have your concentric rings. And if you look at it, it looks like a turkey strutting. You're going to always have these darker purple blues on the turkey tail with browns. And look, these ones are good for tincture. Nice and white, really fresh, really fuzzy on the top. Water will beat up on this fuzz. It's almost like a felt. This is an excellent mushroom for medicinal health. And we're going to get more into that later, but we're going to keep on going on this log because we found some other things. Follow the log down. These are oyster mushrooms. Now these ones are past. You can see the bugs falling out of them. Here's a decent one down here. And here's how you can tell you got oyster. You're going to have nice slippery surface. These can be a couple different colors, grayish, bluish. They can be really, really white like this one. But you notice that these gills come the whole way down on the stalk, and the stalk is not very long. And this is going to have a white spore print. But this is an oyster mushroom. You can actually buy these in the store around us. But a lot of people walk right by these when they're actually mushroom hunting. These are excellent mushrooms, guys. So we're going to lay him back on the log to let the spores get to it. And we're going to harvest a couple of these because we have been unable to find a good patch of these until now.
Yeah, don't take them little boogers.
I've got to hold another one down there. Notice how I'm leaving some of these guys? That's so they can continue to drop spores. And actually something I just found. It's on the end of this log down here too, this piece of wood that broke off. Ah.
Oh, there's a good shot. Get the mycelium in there.
Ooh, real rubbery, real fresh. Leave that piece of spore. And I think that's all the good ones we're going to take off this one. We're going to see if we can keep our eyes out. But we definitely don't want to take all of these off. I've seen a lot of logs where people just peel everything and then they expect it to be there next year. That is not good, guys. Don't be doing that. I love when I find mushrooms cut like this because I know other people are out doing it the right way. So let's go on and keep on foraging. It's me, Chuck Grove, behind the camera. And if you guys can see that, that is some American tooth growing on the side of this maple tree. Pretty nice. Let's keep going. See, guys, this is what you want to look for. Find logs with moss on them sticking out. And just kind of get down and see if you can see further down. Peer around all this. Hey, there's something growing back here. And what do we have? Oh yeah. You guys know what that is? That is a reishi mushroom. Might be a little past. Oh yeah. She's past. See the spores that drop from one above it? Get this. See, it's varnish looking. I hope to find some of these that were actually good. Let's keep going. That's how you find mushrooms, guys.
Told you she's back here.
We definitely have the hemlock.
OBMs.
Hey, that's a good sign. Little brown mushrooms, guys. I don't mess with them. There's two types of mushroom hunters. Old and bold. Bold ones seem to have a short lifespan. Don't be one of those guys. So here we have some old reishi bases, but check this out. There's actually one growing inside the bark here. I ain't getting that out. Those look like old ones that grew into the tree. Or the moss and just kind of came in inside the bark here. That's neat. Let's go over here. That's cool. Let's see if we can find some other ones. Look at this guy. Go up the tree. That's a lightning rod. We've got some big cut-offs up here. The old forest. Yeah, I wish they would have all cut all that down. How about you? Wow. Now here is some nice hemlock logs. This is what you want to look for, guys. Looking for reishi. Look at that. Nice tree. Nice coffee table. There was a nice stander right there. Huh. Cool. Heart shape. So I'll keep it. So we had a coral type growth of a reishi down here. And that's gone. The stem is pretty darn healthy. Somebody cut one right here. Tea-berry. Should be white. Really good, guys, for a trailside snack. You can see the greenery right here.